In this video, I'll show you how to change signatures using a Smart Icon button. Let's start out first showing that currently Nigel is assigned to company A. So I'm going to send an email to Lewis. Alright, so if I send this to Lewis, we will see the signature from company A, and there it is. Everything looks good. Now, if Lewis, if Nigel needs to change his signature because maybe he works for a multi-company organization, so he wants to send an email, but he wants it to be branded from company B, then he can do this. Click on New Email. Again, send it to Lewis, and I want to use company B. This is one method of doing this. Oh, if I spell this right. So instead of just sending now, I'm going to highlight this Smart Icon button where it says change my signature to company B. I'm going to click it. It has now set a hidden field so that Crossware Mail Signature knows that we want to change the signature to something else. So if I F9 and I see now I see company B. So it set a hidden field, and I'll show you that field. I guess go into the document properties, and I go to Mail Signature, and there this field now has been set to main company B. And let me show you how that works. So I have a signature called main company signature B, all the way down at the bottom here. There's the name, there's the layout that we saw, and the way that we do this is we create a Smart Icon button. So if we go to Preferences and we go to the toolbar, Customize, you'll see the button here. If I edit that, you'll see that we've just simply set a field CWUSU signature equals this other group in my company. So I'll explain that in a minute. There's some backward compatibility issues with this, so we needed to use the same naming field that we used in version 3 versus version 4. So I'll come back to this document over here and explain. So in the selection group, because we are making version 4 compatible with version 3, instead of naming the signature name, we actually needed to name this group selection, so other group in my company. And that's the way you would use the Smart Icon button. Okay, very simple. Again, that's one way to do it. There is another video that we've created to show you how to do this, changing a signature based on a keyword or phrase in the subject line as well. All right, thank you very much.